How's it going back there? What are we doing today, Clayton?
You know exactly what we're doing.
We are taking the E30 out for a ride along with you guys to show you guys how it sounds, how it feels, and how it drives. I don't know.
What's it been, 8 episodes now? We still haven't had it out on the road?
Yes, it's about time that we show you guys how this thing is on the road, because that's obviously why we build cars, to put them on the road.
Yeah. This car is crazy, crazy, crazy in person, and it's really challenging to get that feeling through the lens to you guys, but we're gonna do everything we can to like, just...
We're gonna try.
We're gonna try.
So let's go do it.
We're gonna see how it goes.
Alright, so one thing that is pretty cool actually is that you haven't been in this car that much. I've driven it a lot, but you've been in it like once or twice?
Not a whole lot. When we were first testing it, but not as much for the actual driving around. Because you've put quite a... How many do you know?
Like 4,000 kilometers on it.
Crazy.
So.
Like 2,500 miles.
Yes.
Well, everyone that actually watches our videos. Well, yeah, let's start it up. Let's hear it. It's like pretty quiet. It's nice.
Yeah, it's just nice and tame. It's got a rumble to it, but it's not like crazy.
Give it some juice. Give it some juice.
Still got the nice tone to it.
It's nice. It's not like f you. It's like, you know, like after driving f you loud cars, they're fun for like a week, but then like when you're actually driving around in traffic and daily driving and in the morning, it can get old. It's, oh, this is good.
Alright, so we're gonna take it out onto the highway and we'll start giving her the beans. I'm so sorry, bicyclists. Jesus Christ. How's it going back there?
It's tight.
Like one challenge with the car is just being able to use the power like in the streets without being like extremely illegal.
Yeah, well, even on like your off ramps, like a second and a half, you're already speeding, so.
Yeah.
All fueled up?
All fueled up.
Nice.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
Alright, so I'm gonna dump you on the side of the road somewhere and then we can start doing some flybys.
A lot of fun. That is a really fun little car.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's very different from the 6-cylinder for sure.
Yeah. Okay, so in hindsight, now that it's nearing total completion, if you were doing it again, is there anything huge you would change about the build?
I don't think so. Like this is really like the dream that I've had in my head for years, and like to have it on the road now, like it just reinforces like how much fun it is. Like it's reliable, makes a lot of power. Like sure, some people will talk shit about LS swaps, but like at the end of the day, I can beat the shit out of it. And like if anything does break, like the part's cheap. And, so, yeah, like I'm super happy. As like a summer daily driver, it's perfection.
Damn. Well, let's hear it one more time.
Alright.
For all us exhaust lovers. Once more, once more.
Well, we've got some happy sounds today, some happy pulls, and some happy feelings. I think both of us had a good time.
Yeah, it was good. A little scared for my life. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was curled up in the back seat as Lucas was doing 250 kilometers an hour, so I could film that for you. So it was a once in a lifetime opportunity for sure.
We have been making content for you guys for about 6 months now, very consistently, and we're not going to stop. So, too bad. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below, and buckle up, because we're going to keep rolling out the hits.
See you in the next video, guys.